of Temp-tations, and it's also Temp-tations
It is.
days.
10 more days.
10 more days. Today's the 10th of September.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
Where's the time going?
I don't know, actually. It upsets
now,
me a little bit.
this is one charcuterie board, and you
Yes.
get 4 of them.
3 of them.
I beg your pardon, 3 of them. That's what I meant to say. Sounds a lot like 4, but it's actually 3. You get 3 of them, and you get a spreader.
Yes, for each.
That will have steel on the end, stainless steel on the end, and then a ceramic here on the top.
Yes, you got it. And they all come individually gift box. So what I was saying was, this is like one of those, put it in your gift closet, because 3 great gifts. This is awesome, and something everybody can use, whether you're using it for apps, whether you're using it just for serving, whether you're layering it into your dinnerware already. These are great, but they're retiring.
Do the gift boxes match?
They do.
They match.
See? Color coordinated.
All right, so 3 stoneware
Yes.
charcuterie plates, and
Yes.
these are what size by what size?
They're 8 inches.
8 inches
Yes,
square.
yes,
All right,
exactly.
Now, we have lots of colors, but to Tara's point, this is not being reordered. So when it's gone for good.
That's right.
Now, what Tara collects is confetti. And those are done in confetti boxes with the confetti spreaders.
Love
and
those.
1,800 left to go around. These are also clearance priced. Okay. Blue, very popular in the old world, $770. Green, the very first color ever,
Can you
fewer
believe
than 800. Here's gray, 1,300, and taupe, 1,500. Now let's move into floral lace, our most popular, beautiful blue, 1,500. This is gray, 1,500. The taupe, 1,400. This one down below is red. No,
I think that's your cranberry.
That's cranberry, I
Yeah.
beg your pardon. 300 in cranberry, this is the red. 400 in the red, and beside that is the black. Only 500. Now, these can go into the oven up to 500 degrees?
They can, yeah. So what's nice about this, and here's what I love, right, as we're doing our little tailgate here today, I wanted to put together a couple of apps, because what's great about this is you don't have to get that metal cookie sheet out if you don't want to. You can actually heat everything right up on this beautiful plate. So now you have a great little appetizers, but maybe you want some cold appetizers, our deviled eggs here, our stuffed figs, and then, of course, the star of the show always, which is going to be those beautiful wings. We have about 2 dozen wings, so when you're thinking about capacity, that's what we love about these. Layer in some of your ramekins and you're good to go.
I have an idea which would explain the smoke.
And the smell.
What if you were to put pizza dough on here and make an individual pizza?
That's adorable. I love that.
Individual 8x8 pizza.
Yes.
And that way, if you're having a pizza party, this becomes the pizza plate because they can go into the oven up to 500 degrees.
Yes, they can.
Who needs a pizza stone when you've got Temp-tations?
And
right?
I love the personal size, right? And here's the other thing I love with charcuterie. The reason why I gave you 3 different plates is because maybe you want to keep the fruit cold and you want to keep it separate from everything else. That becomes its own separate plate. It has a coordinating spreader that comes along with it. Maybe you don't want the meat and cheese touching. My husband doesn't eat meat, so I love the fact that I could have cheese here and then I could have meat over here. So you can customize these. And then I love this for just bagels, right? Take that great spreader, breakfast in the morning. This is the perfect portion control plate for when you have your scrambled eggs, your adorable, delicious, I shouldn't say adorable, delicious bagels, and everything ooey gooey sticky. Throw them right in the dishwasher when you're done. They stack. You can pick up as many sets as you want, and now you have a great way to coordinate. But we won't do them again in honor of Temp-tations days.
Use them like dessert plates.
Yeah, I
mean,
love
they would
that.
be ideal for that if you wanted to put, you know, birthday cake or pie or whatever
Cute,
on this.
cute, cute, cute.
Really lovely. And because there's a little depth to them, if you're putting things like cobbler that get a little melty and
Or
saucy,
runny. Yeah, yeah.
or runny,
Yes.
then it's going to catch all that.
Yes.
It's
Love
not like
this.
a straight plate. It's one that's a little,
A little
more.
coupe. It's got like a little coupe, we call it, right? So it's got that little indent
What
in
she
the
said.
center. A little coupe.
All right, now,
little coupe action.
how many are gone now, Sean? 600?
Thank you.
And almost 1,000 people on the phone lines.
It's a great deal.
Or on the ordering lines, I should say. All right, so confetti over here. Very popular with 1,700 left. Blue, 700. Green, old world.
Love.
700. Then we've got gray, 1,200. And finally taupe, 1,500. Moving into floral lace, here's that inky cobalt blue, 1,400. Here's the gray, 1,450. The taupe, 1,350. The cranberry,
Cranberry.
250. The red, 300 in the red. And then finally the black. 450 remaining. These are being retired, Tara.
Yes, they are.
So something like this becomes so collectible now 21 years into your business.
Exactly, and we're always asked for square plates, square dinnerware, so I love the fact that, again, you are getting a set of 3. They are all individually gift boxed, which is nice, so you can use these to break apart as great gifts. Because think about it, what would you give someone for less than, or more, a little more than $6? Now they have a beautiful hand-painted stoneware plate with the coordinated spreader with the boxes. So you can pick up a set for yourself. You can also pick up a set to gift, which I love.
These are extraordinary, and everybody is jumping on them. Remember, Temp-tations Days is bringing over 100 items.
Yes.
Between QVC 1 and 2 on air and online, but only through the 20th of this month.
That's right. And then we're wrapping up with something very special, you and me.
Something very special.
You and me.
I'm going to appear at a time of day when I don't usually appear.
Can't wait.
And I'll be with this one.
Yay.
Late at night or early in the morning, depending on your perspective. All right. Do the math, figure it out. This is available for you. Now, Terry, you're coming back with the stackable
with the
bowls.
Stackables. Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
They're
Yes.
really,
Final
really
order
fantastic.
of the year on those.
Don't miss out on those. But right now, we're going to go to South Street, Philadelphia.
I'm jealous. I might hang out for a quick bite.
Pretzel dough.
Yes, please.
Big deal. And